Hi, my name's Steve Haskett. I'm an Anglican priest working in Blackpool. I'm also a trustee and committed supporter of Life Association, a UK-based registered charity that's been supporting schools and children's homes in India for over 20 years. More recently, we've begun to provide healthcare alongside some of our projects. I visited Life Association projects in India a few years back with the organisation's Soapbox Trips, and what I saw there really got under my skin. This year I returned for a third time to visit Calcutta, where Life Association support a school in the Topsia slum, but where we also intend to open a hospice this year. Calcutta, or Kolkata as it's now known, is notorious for people living and dying on the streets. In many cases the police will take those who are too ill or too old to move to government hospitals, which are already overcrowded and understaffed. I visited one such hospital in October last year and was shocked to find one nurse to 90 beds, often two men to a bed, and filthy wards with sheets with food waste and excrement on them. Government hospitals are also a breeding ground for rats that themselves spread disease, as well as mosquitoes that spread malaria and dengue fever. One government hospital in Madhya Pradesh was recently reported to have an estimated 70,000 rats to 400 patients. They eventually called in the pest control because the rats were costing the hospital money due to the food they were eating. There are believed to be 16 government hospitals in Calcutta providing around 1,000 beds each. That's 16,000 beds in a city of 14 million people. So the need is great. People are often turned away or left outside in the blazing heat. The Indian government could do more, but they don't. So we feel compelled to do something. We're already working on the streets and also visiting one hospital where we have official permission to take a team in to feed and wash those who have no one to do this for them. But we want to do more. In 2015 we want to open our own hospice. This will be small at first, perhaps only 10 beds, but we want to provide somewhere where people can have clean sheets and good food, and a nurse and visiting doctor to care for them. And if it's at the end of their lives, then we'll be able to offer them the chance to die with dignity and comfort. As always, we have the ideas to do things before we have the financial resources. So I wanted to ask if you can help. We need to raise £5,000 immediately, and we'll also have to raise the ongoing costs of maintaining the hospice. Any donation will be gratefully received, but if you want to go the distance with us and become a regular supporter, that would be wonderful. You can do so by simply clicking the donate button on our website at www.lifeassociation.org.uk. If you're a taxpayer, that can be gift aided. Thank you so much.